Hi everybody and welcome back. My name is Lori and thanks for coming back and clicking on this video. What do we have for you today? I've got the American Influencer Beauty Bundle. Yes, this is the one that is very much so, very hyped up, very talked about over on Instagram. So guess what's inside? Yes, guess what's inside. You don't have to guess what's inside, you know why? Because everybody pretty much knows. This was the Colourpop Beauty Bundle for American Influencer, October 2021. It is now every month. It's $34 a month. You can skip a month if you'd like. It used to be every other month. Now it's every month. Your box comes like this. Beautifully packed. I've never had one issue with packing on my beauty bundle for American Influencer that I you know, memory serves me right. I've gone through this. I haven't gone through the products in here, but I did check a couple of them because I was seeing quite a few people that had a broken, there was 2 items in there that were broken. So I only pulled those 2 items out to make sure that they were not broken in my box. So other than that, everything else is still intact. Here's the card that you get. That's the one thing I do like about them is that they, what is here is what you get. And it's always from the same company. There's all the items on the back, a description of them, including the price. The only thing I don't have is the total box value, but it's going to be, I think it's usually right up here on the left side of your screen. To you, when you're looking at it, it's going to be on the right side. To me, this is my left. Okay, so we got a brow pencil. Now this brow pencil is what? It is the Brow Boss pencil in taupe. It's $7. 7 in taupe. Okay. Now you don't get to make any choices. You don't get to pick colors. You get what you get. We have had Manicadar. We have had Herbivore Botanicals. We have had Pharmacy. We have had ABC, which is their hair products, Authentic Beauty Concept, I believe. That's just to name a few. So this is the Brow Boss in the color taupe. You do get a little spoolie on one end. Wait, there you go. You got your little spoolie on one end. That's a tight little spoolie. I like that. If you understand what I'm saying in the description of how I'm tight, it's a tight little spoolie. It's not this big feathered out with a small, oh, look at that tip on that thing. That's nice. Let's see here. Got to warm it up. Got to warm it up because that hurts. That actually hurts. You're going to have to warm it up a little bit because it's barely starting to flicker. And I'm just getting some color out of it. So, see that? I'm just getting a little bit of color out of it. So you're going to have to warm it up on the back of your hand. Next, what do we have? I don't know. I have no idea. I got to look in the box. Okay, this is Act Natural. It's a defining mascara in the color black. It's a good thing they did everything universal. You can't go wrong. But then again, with boxes like this, you have to. It's a real pretty faded pink, like a champagne type of rosé. And again, you know what? I don't want to open this because I have mascaras open and I have a couple that are dry. They're starting to dry out right now. But for the most part, I usually have like 4 to 5 different mascaras open. And I don't want this one to dry out. But the mascara came in at $9. Then we have By Soul. This is their little company. The Colourpop is the umbrella company. This is kind of like their little off brand. Not off brand. You know what I mean. This is Soul. Body by Soul. Find Your Soul. And this is the Glow Oil Mini in Champagne. But this is the look at how pretty. That is gorgeous, gorgeous champagne color. It's got to mix it up. You got to mix it up good. if we can get some of this out of there. I know there's probably a lot of air in that. Okay, it is not coming out. I mean, it is not coming out. This pump isn't working. There we go. So if you do get this box, open this up, pull the pump out, and then screw it back on. See, it is a more liquidy oil. It feels like a dry oil, and it is going to absorb real quick. You don't have to sit there and worry about it. Look at how pretty. It's just a light shimmer. Champagne kissed. So there we had the body oil by Soul, Body by Soul, and that one came in at 10 bucks. And next we have So Juicy, and this is the So Juicy Lip Gloss Stuntin'. Lip Gloss Stuntin'. Okay, $8. And it's in the color Stuntin'. It comes in their typical tube. I have a few of these. They're 2 packs, and I probably should give them away. I'm not a big gloss person. Ooh, what is that smell? It's taking me back to the 70s. I'm not going to use it because this might go in a giveaway. So it is taking me back to the 70s. And I don't know. Have you guys ever heard of International Imports? It was in a mall in Salinas. We used to drive all the way up there to visit my cousins. And there was something they'd sell inside that mall. Right there. Okay. Anyway, next. And this one is the 4th rate moisturizing called The Daily. Now, this is another one, 4th rate, that is kind of like Body by Soul, that is underneath the Colourpop umbrella. Use Me on the Daily. 16 bucks. That's pretty. I do have a few products from them. I'm not big on Colourpop. Skincare. You know what I mean? It smells like wax. Ooh. Oh my, get this. Wow. Okay, hang on here. No scent. And I have a nose on me, you guys. I have a nose. I have a sniffer. This thing can sniff out anything. Again, not something I'm too familiar. I'm familiar with 4th Ray. I'm not familiar with this moisturizer, but it says here's your go-to for adding mega moisture while perfectly prepping eyes on the daily. Powered by plant-derived squalane plus shea butter and lychee to replenish moisture for supple, healthy-looking skin around the delicate eye area. Okay, so it wears flawlessly alone or under makeup. So this is for your eyes. This is a big package for your eyes. Not going to be buying any more for quite a while. So not bad, $16. Okay. Now we have the Super Shock. This one comes in at $8. So the Super Shock and the So Juicy were both $8. So this one here is their famous Super Shock. Do I have it upside down? No, I don't. Their famous Super Shock formula has a bouncy texture that creates the ultimate glow. It's buildable, blendable, and so buttery soft. Wait till you see our golden champagne with gold pearls. Okay, so they're doing a lot of golden pearls and golden champagnes and goldens, and guess what? Summer's over. It's a deep pot. Let's just see how much product is in there, though. Uh-oh. Mine's moving. Oh, please don't pop out. I'm like, please don't pop out. The pot's moving inside. It's called Wisp. The color Wisp. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Wow, I have no highlighter on. This feels like my finger is in like frosting. That feels so buttery. Is putting it lightly, and my finger, I just barely put a little bit, see the indentation? I just applied a tiny bit of pressure instead of just lightly feather, like a feather touch to get it on there. I just kind of, and it indented. You know, I can't say I've ever purchased their highlighter, the Super Shock, nor have I ever felt anything that sponge and soft, like silky. It's like whipped cream, like a hardened semi. You get, if I say anything more, it's going to come out real bad. My words are going to be made fun of, so let's just keep on going. You get what I'm saying? That buttery feeling was, wow. Okay, and then we have this Neon Gaze eyeshadow palette. There we go. I don't know if you can see it. The Neon Gaze is kind of like in the green letter. Can you see the green letters there? There we go. Neon Gaze. A couple people were really shocked when they thought, I only got one palette. No, you didn't. They advertised two, so you're going to get two. Okay, there it is. It's a little plastic, hard plastic. There you go. And the middle one right here has the lightning bolt. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Probably not. I won't know until editing whether you can see it or not. But this one says, shine bright in this trendy summer look. This 5-pan palette includes a range of wearable neutrals in matte and matte sparkle finishes and a high voltage pop of matte neon yellow. It's got roadmap of your colors on the back. Like I said, yes, you do. They advertise too. You do get the second palette. This one is the Color Vision eyeshadow palette, and this one as well is $10, so you can see that one there. Okay, so this one here says, it's Bubble Pop Electric in this hot pink trending look. This 5-pan palette includes cool neutrals in a range of matte and metallic finishes and an electric pop of matte neon magenta. $10. Anyway, this is it. It is plastic. It is neon. When you look through it, it kind of reminds you of those rose-colored glasses from back in the 70s. You basically have the same colors in the Neon Gaze. The only thing different, if you look, is in the middle, that pop of magenta. Now what's in the middle there? There is also a lightning bolt. That's the imprint. I don't think there's any other imprints in any other ones. So I do not want to swatch these because these are, I can't see me. I've got like 100, 200 palettes, and I really need to start playing with more. You know, if I keep them, I'll swatch them before I do a look. How about that? That a deal? Anyway, it's a deal because they're $10. Did I tell you that the champagne oil was 10 bucks too? I probably did. Now, if you were kind of disappointed in, well, you know, for $34, yes, you gave us a couple of $10 palettes. You gave us the $7 Brow Boss pencil in taupe. You gave us the Super Shock highlighter. You gave us the So Juicy lip gloss. You gave us the moisturizer. You got, you know, you're not going to be disappointed when you see this next item, okay? Don't forget they gave you mascara too. Making sure there wasn't any little extra treats for good old Lori. Oh my gosh. The smell is overwhelming. You can smell chemicals coming off of the pleather, like really bad. Whew. It's a good thing I got my window open and there's a lot of air coming through. It is pretty, the cute. This comes in at $44, you guys. Oh, the more you unwrap it, the more you, it's like paint thinner. Remember when you did models, or if your brother did models back when, a long time ago? It smells like paint thinner. That's a big set of brushes. So what do we have here? This is the Kit Ultimate Brush Roll. It's $44. This is your ultimate brush set. This faux leather brush roll collection includes 14 vegan, cruelty-free brushes that will help you create any look on your eyes or face. Now we're talking. But the more you unwrap, the stronger that thinner that chemical smell gets. So this is absolutely stunning, you guys. This is beautiful. The inside of it is it has that soft, you know, it is soft. The outside, obviously, the leather that you can wipe down, pleather. And then, I mean, look at these. Let's take a look at a couple of them. They're each individually wrapped. They're nicely built, wooden handles. They have like an aluminum ferrule. They're really pretty with that gold, that dusty rose gold on the ferrule. I don't have much to say about this brush set, except for that it's beautiful. I wasn't in need. I'm not in need of any more brushes, but I definitely will not be giving this away. Not anytime soon. I have to think long and hard about it, but I doubt it. I have a lot of brushes that I absolutely love, and this brush set right here makes it easy. It really does. Just, I mean, it's that easy. Pop it in your travel bag and you're good to go. $44. All right, you guys, for $34, this is everything that you got. That's it for this box, the American Influencer Beauty Bundle. This is the October 2021. It was a 100% Colourpop themed, and $34, like I said. You know, I'm going to put a link to them down below. I do not have a referral link. I don't have a discount code or anything like that. So it's just you, if you're interested, click on that link below and it'll take you, get signed up. You can always pass on the month that you're not interested in. You got nothing to lose. Okay, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, please, if you would. And if you're not subscribed, head over there, hit that subscribe button, turn that bell to all, and it'll keep you notified every time I upload another video. I do go MIA once in a while. There's a reason for it, and someday I might be brave enough to share it with you in a video. But I'm feeling good tonight, so I'm recording. All right, I'll see ya in my next video. Bye.